This is Emhape Tech with new video. Gone is the old, angular design of previous Xperia phones, replaced by a new, smoothed-off design language that Sony is referring to as Ambient Flow. Apparently inspired by a water droplet, in the case of the Xperia XZ2 it takes two panes of 3D Gorilla Glass 5 and sandwiches them either side of a twist-resistant aluminum frame. The Xperia XZ2 Compact misses out on the rear glass, sadly, making do with curved polycarbonate instead. Both are IP68 water resistant. In fact, it's Sony's first smartphone with an 18:9 aspect display, a 5.7-inch panel on the Xperia XZ2 and a 5-inch panel on the XZ2 Compact. They're HDR screens too, borrowing technology from Sony's Bravia TVs, with SDR to HDR up conversion that actually works surprisingly well. It'll support HDR content from Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, and YouTube as well. Sony has answered some of the criticisms of its old phones. The Xperia XZ2 and XZ2 Compact both get fingerprint sensors, sensibly placed beneath rather than alongside the cameras on the back. They use Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 845 chipset, too, and both get a healthy 4GB of memory and 64GB of storage. Their microSD slots support up to 400GB cards. For once, there are minimal compromises involved in opting for the compact version. In the case of the Xperia XZ2 Compact, you miss out on wireless charging for its 2870 mAh battery. The regular Xperia XZ2 can use Qi to power up its 3180 mAh pack, but still get stereo front speakers, said to be 20% louder than before, Gigabit LTE support, and Bluetooth 5.0. Indeed, if you're a Verizon fan, the Xperia XZ2 Compact even has an advantage. Unlike the regular XZ2, the Compact is certified for Verizon's network. Both phones have a 19-megapixel motion eye camera on the rear, capable of ISO 12800 in photo mode and ISO 4000 in video mode. For the first time it'll capture 4K HDR video. The Xperia XZ1 could do 4K but not high dynamic range, and there's a new 940 FPS Full HD Super Slow-Mo mode. The front camera is 5 megapixels and, also new for 2018, can now be used to create 3D scans, just like the rear camera. 3D render quality has been improved, with greater detail promised, and thanks to a deal with Facebook it should be easier to share those scans too. The other big improvement you feel, rather than see. Sony calls it the Dynamic Vibration System, and it's basically the Xperia's version of Apple's Taptic Engine, a larger, beefed-up vibration motor. It offers a greater range of dynamic actuation, which effectively means Sony can offer more defined haptics, both when you tap on screen and, by analyzing audio data, according to the music or game sound effects currently playing. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. See you in next video.